So we start off today's video with a hair transformation. Gorgeous purple lob haircut, face framing purple highlights, absolutely stunning. And then we see this butterfly haircut transformation. She has a beautiful hair shade of copper. So for the next style, looks like we're gonna see another hair color transformation. So she is going to be going lighter and brighter with this one. There is the before. Wow. There is the after. She ended up going with another very popular hair trend, and that is ash blonde. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. So then we see someone deciding to cut their hair into this beautiful pixie. I love the burgundy hair color she has with this style, absolutely stunning. So there is the before. And there is the after. Wow, she decided to go with blonde. Such a dramatic hair color transformation. It looks like she does have some chunky highlights with this one. And as you guys know, chunky highlights have managed to make a strong return. What an amazing transformation. Absolutely stunning results. So next up, it looks like the client is going to be getting a bob haircut. Beautiful. This is definitely a longer bob style. And we have another ash blonde hair color transformation. So pretty, her hair looks absolutely beautiful. Followed by a long two pixie haircut. So here we have another burgundy pixie. It's almost like a reddish brown burgundy shade. Absolutely gorgeous color work. And we have someone getting some curtain bangs and some layers throughout their hair. Wow, her hair looks absolutely gorgeous. Love the tousled waves. Amazing. Beautiful longer pixie haircuts. Gorgeous color work. And then we have another bob haircut. Wow, this bob has so much volume in it. Beautiful. And then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. Absolutely stunning. Her hair looks so thick and healthy. Beautiful. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyles, be sure to check out this video next.